everyone, welcome back to Hands-Free Studying for the MBE, brought to you by Brainscape.
These upcoming questions are related to contract formation. All right, let's get started. Question 1. Define contract. A contract is a legally enforceable agreement. Question 2. What are the types of laws that govern contracts? The first is the common law, which applies to employment contracts and personal service contracts, for example. The second is UCC Article 2, which governs anything movable, as well as tangible personal property. Now, when the contract deals with both goods and services, the predominant purpose of the contract reigns when determining whether to apply common law or UCC. Question 3. What are the elements needed to form a valid contract? All right, first you need to have mutual assent, which is an offer plus acceptance. 2, you need to have consideration, which is a bargained for legal detriment. And 3, there must be no defenses to formation. Question 4. Define bilateral contract. A bilateral contract is a contract made by both sides. In other words, both sides have promised to do something. Question 5. Define unilateral contract. A unilateral contract is one that requires full performance as the method of acceptance. Let's take a quick break for a study tip. Now, I know you probably don't need to hear this, but have you done any exercise today? Even just a few minutes of air squats, push-ups, or planks can juice your brain power and help this knowledge stick much better. Let's get back to questions 6 through 10. Question 6. Define offer. An offer is an outward, objective manifestation of willingness to enter into a bargain that creates the power of acceptance in the offeree. In other words, there's nothing left to do except say yes. Question 7. Under common law, what terms must be included in the offer? Parties, subject matter, price, and quantity. Question 8. What terms are required for real estate contracts? Real estate contracts must contain the identity of the land as well as price terms. Question 9. What terms are required for UCC contracts? The only required term for a UCC contract is quantity. As long as the parties intended to make a contract, the UCC will supply gap fillers for missing terms. Question 10. What terms are required for a requirement or output contract? A requirement or output contract must contain the quantity expressed in terms such as all, or only, or solely.
And that's the end of your 10 flashcard study round. To reach full mastery, remember to study in Brainscape. Our mobile and web app uses the latest in spaced repetition techniques, allowing you to optimize your study time and track your progress down to the finest detail. Of course, when you're driving, cooking, exercising, or otherwise unable to navigate the app, be sure to keep listening to the rest of this hands-free studying playlist. No matter what subject you're learning and what method you're studying it, Brainscape helps you rise to your challenge.